hope so. Can we get a last train tone? We'll both do it this time, yeah?
Extra.
Are you ready? Make sure you're looking at you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Are we going to make it in part as well? There's no more Gatwick. The next one's a South Western. We've already seen this one. It will next be going. You're going to try and get it to turn. Record it coming in. I forgot to record it. Did we? No, it is most like. Didn't stop in like that. That stopped way early, Regan. That stopped way early, didn't it? It should have stopped. Oh no, it stopped at the perfect point. Does it? It's Gatwick. I really hope it's Gatwick. You already know, don't tell me though. What is it, Gatwick? a normal southern, that's unfortunate. Although it's still really good. Another southern. Another southern. Yeah, no, it's not, it's a southern. Yeah, but it's still good. This is rare. No, it's not. Oh yeah, this is legendary. Southwestern Railway is common. This is legendary, and Gatwick is godly. I need to upload all of my pictures tonight. Another one coming that way pretty soon. We've got like 3 minutes and then I'm gonna try and look. I'm recording too. That's a nice photo. We got tones, our luck is insane. This 450 horn is too loud for me though. I hate it when it does it.
Oh, get prepared.
It's like 10 times louder than that steam.
Sorry.
What? It's fine, it's fine. I haven't done it all day now. I'm quite happy.
Is that alright if I do tones?
Yeah, sure. Oh, you didn't see, didn't you? See anyone out of it because it's tinted.
We did get a thumbs up. Same as the driver. They've got a thumbs up in the wave.
Yeah,
what to do that? Yeah, why not? Then we can get on the 7.
it is a Southwestern Railway. It's no Gatwick. Although we have seen 4 Gatwick, so it's not very surprising. Are you sure?
Yeah, but what side does it come from?
Left or right? Should we see if it's Gatwick? Don't tell me if it is, because I'm standing a bit wrong. didn't even do a sound sensor. It's ruined our streak of tones now, isn't it?
No, that was our streak of getting turns. It's gone.
You might do it now, Rick. Just record whenever the light comes on. Let's see. Regan, no! Yeah, me too. We've had so many times. Scared. I'm always scared though. You think it's going to be a bit louder, like, not it's like there's a pattern.
Yeah.
The southern one wasn't meant to come for ages, yeah?
Oh.
It's another Gatwick! This kid is going to really hate us. Gee, I don't mean to flex on him, but another Gatwick. Another. We've seen 3 flipping Gatwicks today, guys. 3 Gatwicks. This is insane. 3 Gatwick Express. It's rarer. I've never seen a freight one. Oh, and there's a Great Western. Regan, no! That's sick. Oh my god! This day is actually so good. This day is actually insane. Regan, this day is insane. We just got tones from a Great Western. We've seen 3 Gatwicks. We got so many tones. We got tones from all of our Gatwicks that we've seen so far. Oh my god. I'm gonna faint. I really am. Oh, go away, Flash. I don't know why it flashes. Another tone! Gee, this is so lit. And I think, Regan, we've had no haters on that one either.
Yeah.
On the Gatwick. Another Gatwick!